Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook sesame chicken. Start by preparing your chicken. You'll need about 1.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken, cut into 1-inch pieces. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 egg, 1/4 cup of cornstarch, and 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour to create a light batter. Now, toss your chicken pieces into this mixture, ensuring each piece is evenly coated. This step is crucial for achieving that perfect crispy texture we all love in sesame chicken. Next, we'll fry the chicken to golden perfection. Heat about 2 to 3 cups of vegetable oil in a large pot or wok to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully fry the battered chicken in small batches for 3 to 4 minutes per batch until they are beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Use a slotted spoon to remove the chicken and let it drain on a wire rack, ensuring it stays wonderfully crispy. Now, let's create that irresistible sesame sauce. In a saucepan, combine 1/2 cup of soy sauce, 1/4 cup of honey, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Stir in 2 cloves of minced garlic and 1 teaspoon of grated ginger. To thicken, mix 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of water and add it to the sauce. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer, stirring continuously until it thickens to a beautiful, glossy consistency. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Add your perfectly fried chicken pieces directly into the warm, thickened sesame sauce. Gently toss the chicken until every piece is thoroughly coated in that delicious, glossy sauce. To finish, sprinkle generously with 2 tablespoons of toasted sesame seeds and some freshly chopped green onions for a burst of color and flavor. Serve your homemade sesame chicken immediately with steamed white rice for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.